Hello friends, Elon Musk gave his presentation last night. This is a picture he tweeted a couple days ago. Last night he rambled a lot, but he said some good tidbits. This is one of the screenshots from last night's video. I'm trying to see if I can make it bigger. No, okay. Well, this is a screenshot from last night's presentation. He said this particular Mark 1 would go up to 65,000 feet, 22 kilometers. Now there he is right there. He said took for 1 ton of methane takes 3.5 tons of oxygen, and he said that was a good thing. And this is what the Super Heavy would look like. This is the part of the vehicle that launches the Starship into space. He said the Mark 1 would not go into orbit by itself. He would need to construct this Super Heavy, or a prototype Super Heavy, to get the Mark 1 into orbit. And that apparently that was down the road, something that they need to do. But he said here that although 37 Raptors, he said the minimum he could imagine is 24, is at least 24. So I guess it depends, what they turn out with in terms of the weight of the whatever Starship they construct, and what they're using it for. And this is what the Starship would look like, the final version. He had some videos, new videos rendered using this model with Super Heavy, and yeah. So I need to shorten up that whole presentation, and I'll be trying to put my own shorter video up if you give me time. But as you see here, these 3 sea level engines would be the ones that he said they're using the ones that are mounted right now on the Mark 1 are sea level. And these vacuum optimized for 380 are the bigger ones. I think this is probably cargo that can go in vacuum, or maybe some special equipment, because he said this one would go back to back with a refueling Starship, and that's how they would go on the longer trips. Sorry. And he showed this one again, that's to show you what the engines look like underneath. And he showed this slide, comparing human, Starhopper. That's anyway. So I don't know if the Starship Mark 1 is a solid design, or they'll make any changes to the length and and such. But I think it is. I think he's going with this as a solid design. You know what I mean? 99% of what it will be on the end. He talked a little bit about the weight of it being 120 tons, and if he could get it down to 100 tons or even 99 tons, that would be fantastic. And I think you saw these ones yesterday from what I put up. So that was most of it. You know, he discussed, you know, the how it needed refueling, and how, you know, how steel three. This is a 301 steel, and how that was better. How the 301 steel was not only cost less, but it was better, more durable, and better for heat by itself. And you know, they're gonna put some heat shield glass or tiles on the what they call the windward side. And so that was it. It was good presentation. He rambled a lot, took some questions, and I don't want to ramble, but yeah. So I got the video. I'm gonna try to shorten it to the important bits. But I wanted to give you this preview.